Welcome to my newest acreage property in Big Lake. I'm going to tell you my 3 favorite things about this property and give you a quick tour inside. So my first favorite thing about this property is the dining room, living room, and kitchen are all open on the main level. It is a 4-level split. The kitchen has recently been updated. It has Corian countertops, the black stainless steel appliances, nice extra cabinet space with a patio off the kitchen. So my second favorite thing is a large family room area downstairs. There is a nice extra space that could be used as a play area. It could also be set up as a 5th bedroom in the home. It has a nice gas fireplace and lookout windows for extra lighting as well. My favorite thing about this property is that it sits on over an acre. It has a beautiful flat backyard, and we actually just seen 3 deer walk out in the back of the property line. It has a nice patio off the kitchen to enjoy. The sun is shining. This home features 4 bedrooms, has 3 bathrooms, could potentially have a 5th bedroom. It's going to be priced at $425,000. Big Lake area, Monticello school districts. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out.